Hey everyone, in this guide we will show you how you can zoom in and zoom out with the camera control button on your iPhone. If you have one of the newer iPhone models, then you have the camera control button on the side. This gives you easy access to various camera controls while you're shooting with your device. If you want to use this button to zoom in or zoom out more conveniently, then follow these steps. First of all, tap on the camera control button to activate it. Then double tap on the button to access the camera control menu. When you see the menu, swipe your finger on the camera control button and select the zoom option. When you have selected the zoom option, tap on the camera control button once again. As you can see, you can now slide your finger over the camera control button to zoom in and zoom out more easily. Good thing is now the camera app will remember your choice and keep zoom option selected. So you can start zooming in with the camera control button as soon as you tap on it. If you like, you can also choose to adjust the exposure, depth, cameras, styles, and tone settings with the camera control. That's it. This is how you can zoom in and zoom out using the iPhone's camera control button. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.